focusing on player input and muscle memory. Step-by-step fixes for diagonal downward strike error. 1. Re-evaluate your controller input. The D-pad versus analog stick. The most common and effective solution is to switch from the analog stick to the D-pad for movement. The D-pad provides a digital input, meaning it is either on or off for each direction: up, down, left, right. This eliminates the possibility of the analog stick registering a slight diagonal input when you intend to press straight down. Practice with the D-pad. If you're not used to a D-pad for platformers, it may feel awkward at first. Practice the downward strike in a safe area, like the forgotten crossroads, until the motion becomes second nature. Focus on firmly pressing the D-pad's down direction. 2. Adjust your technique. If using an analog stick, firm and deliberate motion. If you absolutely must use the analog stick, you need to be very deliberate with your input. Instead of a smooth transition from horizontal to down, try to make a quick, clean snap of the stick directly into the down position. Avoid the 45-degree zone. When you're moving left or right, the ideal downward strike is a precise 90-degree angle from the horizontal axis. Try to push your stick closer to a 60-degree angle from the horizontal instead of the exact 45-degree corner. This gives you a wider margin of error to still register a down input. 3. Practice and muscle memory. Find a training dummy. Go to a safe, easily accessible enemy or a stationary object that you can pogo on, like the giant mushroom in fungal wastes, and practice the move repeatedly. Break down the motion. The downward strike is a two-part motion. 1. The jump, fall, and 2. The down plus attack input. A common mistake is trying to do everything at once. Wait a moment after jumping before you press down and attack. This allows your character to begin falling and gives you a clean window to input the correct command. Hold the down input slightly before or as you press the attack button. You don't have to press them simultaneously. Holding down first and then hitting attack can significantly increase consistency. 4. Check your hardware. Controller quality. The quality of your controller's analog stick and D-pad can make a huge difference. Cheaper or older controllers may have less precise input zones, making the move genuinely harder to pull off. Try a different controller. If you have access to another controller, especially one with a good D-pad, e.g., a PlayStation or Switch Pro controller,